Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cut crease look. Don't really have colors in mind, I just know that's the kind of style I want to do. So if you want to see me try a cut crease, then just keep watching. Alright, so I've brought you guys in a little closer, and I'm going to go into the ColourPop Dream Street palette, and I'm going to take this peachy shade right here and just pull that into my crease. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And then I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to take this first brown shade here and then just focus this a little lower. And then I'm going to go in with this deep brown shade and focus that even lower. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this NYX full coverage concealer, and this is in the shade beige. I'm just going to use this rounded brush to cut out my crease. Alright. And then I'm going to go back into that same palette, and I'm going Then I'm going to go back into that same palette, and I'm going to take this pinky coppery shade, and then I'm just going to take the same highlight I used on my face and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And then I'm also going to take this angled brush. I'm going to take the same deep brown shade, and I'm just going to kind of define my lash line. Alright, so here's the final cut crease look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, there will be a little circle somewhere over here with my face on it. You can go and subscribe. Or if you want to watch my most recent video, there will be a box over here on this side that has my most recent video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!